Hello Internet and welcome to this adventure in lockpicking. After getting the first Master Lock Magnum out of the package, I realized that the shackles are spring-loaded, and B, probably be much easier to get it out of the package if you unlock the lock. So, that is what I'm going to attempt. Bit wide. There we go. The lock itself is now out of the package. I'll have to say that's a bit disappointing. I was kind of hoping that this would be a bit tougher, but I think I'll put these in the either the startup or the closing part of a full-length practice session. Now, here's the fun part. Getting the keys out of the package, which will now hopefully be easier. That the lock is out of the way. Master Lock. When getting the keys out of the packaging is harder than unpicking the lock. Until then, subscribe if you want, and most importantly, have a nice day.